A Phoenix family is mourning the loss of a man who died last month after suffering heat exposure while on an HVAC service call. 58-year-old Matt Nelson was responding to a routine call when temperatures inside the attic that he was climbing into was at more than 150 degrees. His partner found him unresponsive and performed CPR, but Nelson was pronounced dead at the hospital. He was an Army veteran who had recently launched his own HVAC business. Officials say his death is a grim reminder, folks, of the dangers of working in extreme heat. Be careful out there.